Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Let's create branding design using rectangle, rotate and shape builder tool in Adobe Illustrator. Draw 400 by 1000 dimensions using rectangle. Use direct selection tool. Shortcut key equals A to pull corner points to get full rounded corners. Copy and paste here. Change the dimensions to 300 by 900 for the inner part. Select both. Right-click, group them. Select object and go to rotate 360 degrees divided by 8 is equal to 45. Press shortcut key equals R. Alt plus click for equal 360 degrees distribution. Control plus D to duplicate. Select all and go to Shape Builder. Press shortcut key equals M. Click on Object, create shape. To deselect, press Alt plus click. Select object. Right-click, ungroup them. And select each object and apply color from the swatches. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.